Alright, we have the sun going down over the mountain. Beautiful shot here. Loner 420 house. Having my 420 time out on Vancouver Island. Beautiful view. So yeah, this is Loner 420 from Loner 420 house up on top of a little mountain. Sun's going down, 420. A little bit of snow up the mountains, but nothing down here. So we're loving it. Happy 420 everybody. Loner 420 house. Up on top of a little mountain here. Beautiful view. Having my 420 out here on Little Mountain, Vancouver Island, BC, Canada, as the sun goes down over the mountains. Happy 420, y'all. Of course, my cough. Must have the cough. Beautiful sunset. Go over the mountains here on Vancouver Island. This is my view. Up on top of the rocks. There's the edge right in front of me. Cliffs. Takes you right down. Major drop. But yeah, loving it here on Vancouver Island. Sunset. Happy 420, y'all. Signing out.